If you're shipping your Empowered PC desktop, the last thing you want is for it to arrive damaged. Today, I'll walk you through the proper way of packing it up using the original packaging to ensure it reaches its destination safely. Let's get started. So here's what you'll need. First, your Empowered PC's original box and foam inserts, instant pack foam, the plastic bag that was on the PC, some strong packing tape, a large sturdy shipping box, and additional packing material like foam or bubble wrap. Now let's secure the internal components. Empowered PC's desktops are high quality builds, but during shipping, we need to ensure the internal components stay secured. Your PC should have come with instant pack foam inside to keep the GPU and other components from shifting. Look at the instant pack foam's layout and align it back inside carefully. Next, place the plastic bag over the PC, ensuring the entire unit is covered. Then secure it with tape. Now, take your original Empowered PC box. Start by placing the foam inserts around the PC. Make sure you're using the foam on the right side as they are end specific. Then carefully place the unit inside the box with the front panel facing up. Use any extra foam to fill the gaps and prevent movement. A snug fit is essential to avoid damage. For additional protection, place the original box inside a larger, sturdy shipping box. Fill the space around the original box with packing foam or bubble wrap to prevent movement. This extra layer helps absorb shock during transit and keeps your PC safe. Once everything is in place, close the outer box securely and seal it with strong packing tape. For extra safety, place fragile or handle with care stickers on multiple sides of the box. This will alert carriers to handle your PC with caution. And that's it. Now you know how to properly pack your Empowered PC desktop for safe shipping. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any other questions. Safe shipping, and I'll see you in the next one.